opening. Everybody is here. Oh wait, hold on. Mic check, 1, 2. We gotta make sure our audio is working.
Yeah, mic check 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, there we go. Welcome back to another episode of ZaroSports, guys. This is the grand opening. Everybody's here. We're having a grand old time. We got people that I haven't seen in so long. Thank you guys so much for coming by. Here we go. There's a video.
Oh, there's a video? I can't hold this pose for long.
Nelson actually did 3 pull-ups, so you earned yourself a hat. The hat is on the table. That's right there. That's your hat. You earned it.
For what?
You got another 3? You got another 3 in the tank? Oh, I don't know.
You barely did 1. I could do 3.
Gio's going to do it for you.
Nah, I want to see. Now, he ain't go all the way.
1,
It's about the effort
2, and 3. That's leg work.
Wait. Show me. But don't show the floor. Just show me waist up.
I got you.
You ready?
Here we go. But that's a chin up, man. That's a chin up. You got to turn the hands.
All right, you ready?
There we go. 1, 2, 3. What's going on?
That's how you do it.
Babies up.
Wait, keep going. No. One more time, Bobby. 3. Okay.
Here we go. Please go.
1, 2, 3.
All right, here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
I don't know how we're going to do this over again.
Jamie, you got it? Charlie, I'll record. You go over there. I'll put it on my phone.
All right, so before I cut, I just want to say thank you everybody for coming by. Take your time out of your day to stop by for the grand opening. Before we begin, I kind of just want to say a couple of things. This has been a long time coming, and a lot of people deserve thanks. And I know I'm going to forget a couple of people. So first and foremost, I want to thank my family, my parents. My dad was pretty much like my general contractor, helped me build out inside. My mom has been helping me a ton with the management side of things. Charlotte, thank you so much for actually organizing this entire thing. There's so many people that I want to thank. This training aspect started out of Charlotte's mother's garage. So, MJ, where are you? She's back there. Yep. Thank you so much for letting me use the garage and begin this journey. All right, now we take a couple of steps forward, and we don't come into the game to lose. So we're ready to win. This is step 1. Grand opening, April 24th, 2021. Hi, Ava. How are you? Hi.
Charlotte.
How do I zoom in and out?
Yeah.
They're small. They're not.
Gun limit's 15. That's what I usually get. It's crazy. I don't like it. I don't like that. I like this type of outfit. It's too expensive. I end up spending like a
What are you
7.
gonna do? You gotta do it good.
Yeah, exactly, right? Because then I still
Let you pick one. All right. What do you Do you want to go around the ZaroSports?
Come on, Nelson. Melissa, ven. Come with Ava.
Why you don't have like a doggy
You know, I was looking for
Oh, man, you missed that.
dog apparel or something.
You don't have to make it more difficult when it has the same thing as everybody else, right?
So I will make a very quick toast before we start. I don't think Alex takes time to give himself credit. So I really want to, you know, I'm proud of your hard work. You worked really hard. I'm going to cry over it. He doesn't take time to really recognize what he's done, and he's worked really hard. So congratulations. This is the first of many of whatever you accomplish. But cheers to you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Anybody else want to take a toast?
Anybody else? Anybody else before we go? Hold on.
I am very
We're gonna go around,
proud
yeah.
of you,
We're gonna go
Alex,
around,
you
yes.
know? You're doing great, and I wish you the best. And who's next?
Yes.
I was gonna say, you know what, Alex, you saved me this summer by giving me a garage gym that I could go to. And, you know, you're just a wonderful person and a hard worker, and you've accomplished a lot. And I'm so happy that you're part of my family.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Okay, so your father and your brother are not here because they were working. But I just wanted you to know that we are very proud of you and as you know, so far that you have done. So congratulations and cheers.
Para los que no entienden inglés, ellos quieren decir que están muy orgullosos de Ale por su trabajo, por su esfuerzo y por su dedicación.
All right.
Y muchos años más.
I'll say something.
Yeah, go ahead.
I remember when Alex first started ZaroSports, when it was just something in his corner, and it was when he started in his little laptop, computer set that he had in the corner of his room. So it's crazy to think how many years have gone by since then and what it's turned into now. So, like I've told you before, I'm very proud of you and see where it's come, and hope for many more.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm just saying I'm very, very proud of you. You know that. I talk to you often. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yay.
That wasn't as good as mine.
No, definitely.
I'm very proud of you, and I thank you for honor and last name and make it big.
Yeah.
Yeah. ZaroSports.
Okay. Bobby, what do you want to say?
So I truly appreciate you guys being here. I mean, it means a lot to me. Charlotte's right. Sometimes I don't take the time to kind of sit back and soak it all in. But I'm the kind of person that always is looking to the next step. So even though like we're in here and this is a grand opening, I'm already looking forward to making this even bigger. All right. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for being here on the grand opening. Here's a toast. Here we go. To continued success, always continue to do what you love.